Hi folks, I'm Florida Trailblazer, exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. And today I'm out here roaming around these woods in Pasco County, Florida. This is called the Serenova Tract, and it's part of the Starkey Wilderness Park area. So there are many places to roam and lots of trails to explore out here. Really enjoying the nature and peace and quiet, fresh air out here today. It's a great time to be out here enjoying the great outdoors. There's a lot of interesting history in this area as well that I've been seeing along the way. Lots of homestead remains and remnants from the past. This path here is overgrown but leads to an area where it's cleared out and definitely used for something at one time. I'm at the other side of this clearing, and this path continues on to another clearing. I can see a foundation out there. It's a large foundation out here in the woods. You can see there was a structure here at one time. Followed this path here further into the woods, and I came across this site where there appears to be some foundations and some blocks laying around. May have been some sort of structure here at one time. See a clearing here, and there's a couple fence posts over there. Following this trail here down towards a really scenic lake. Looking forward to exploring down there. And taking in some of the views. Should be getting pretty close to the area. This area here is a little wet. I try to cross over. It's not too deep over here. Just a little mucky. But it looks like there's a way through here. Not bad at all. Following this trail here towards a lake. Go and explore around that area. So I'm just out here roaming off the beaten path. So nice. These aren't even part of the hiking trails, really. These are just a lot of forest roads and old paths out here. It looks like I'm coming up to where the hiking trail is. But just came through the woods from over that direction. Over here in this area, you can see a really nice chimney. Still remains from a homestead site that was out here at one time. There's a fence around the area to help keep it protected. But we can get a nice view of it from right here. Just look at the masonry work on this, the time and craftsmanship that went into making this chimney. And it's still standing here after all these years. It truly is incredible to see it out here. See some more remnants over here near the Homestead site. And at one point there was power out here. Near the Homestead site, here's part of a foundation. Take a look at this. It's a really incredible homestead site there. All that remains mostly is the chimney. Hopefully it remains there for a long time to come, so people in the future can come out here and experience this amazing history. I'm going to take a walk over here by the lake nearby. Really scenic. Some really amazing views here. Down here by the lake. Imagine living out here. Homestead isn't that far from this lake, and imagine how it was during those times. So peaceful here. Let's take a walk out here. Beautiful. Well, that was a beautiful area there by the lake. Enjoyed that. So scenic and peaceful. I don't want to leave. There's a lot more to explore out here though. So I'm going to journey around the woods near this lake, see what else we can discover along the way, and just take in more of this beautiful scenery here.